Sure. No. So we're just grabbing some food before we head out to downrange.
I don't know where anything is. It might be a little bit rainy in Zion, but I'm excited. Hopefully that means less people will be there, and hopefully it clears up by tonight so we can see all the stars.
We just got here at Zion National Park. First thing I noticed is this is the busiest national park that I've ever been to. There was a huge line out front just to get into the park and checked in. Apparently, so you have to, when you come in here, if you're bringing your own personal vehicle, you have to park in this parking lot that's by the visitor center. And as long as they have the shuttle buses running, you actually have to use the shuttle buses. You can't take your own personal vehicle up the scenic route. So we parked, we went by the visitor center and got a map and made a game plan. We've got a couple hiking trails in mind, so we're gonna head over to the shuttle and get started.
I've always wanted to come here, and everything's huge, like massive walls. I'm really sad the Narrows is closed, but I don't care, I'm here. It's so pretty. Trail, and we're on the beach side of it, so it's mostly paved the entire way, but there's also another option to go closer to the river on the beach. It's kind of cold and windy and rainy, but it's still pretty nice out. And this trail by far is probably one of the most popular ones. It's pretty packed, and we're here around early afternoon, so try to get here early. It's also at the very end of the scenic drive. Then you get dropped off, and then there's another 1.25 miles about to the end where the beginning of the Narrows starts, which right now we can't go on it because the water is moving too fast and it's too high, but it looks pretty awesome, and that's more of a 2-day hike anyway. So we're heading back, and then we're gonna go to the next one, hopefully hit the shuttle right when we get back to the beginning. Filming and taking photographs just doesn't do any of this justice. Everything is massive and legit. And now we have to climb a bunch of stairs.
We gotta do what?
What?
We gotta do what?
We do. I don't even know if it's stairs. It's a trail. It's gonna suck.
Got down from the top of the, what is this? The
Weeping Rock.
Weeping Rock Trail. This This trail, I would say, is not so much about the journey as it is about the destination, because it's really short. It's maybe a quarter mile to the top of the trail.
But it's straight up.
And a quarter mile back. It is straight up, so your legs will be burning.
I think it's a quarter mile total.
A quarter mile total, so it's even shorter than that. So yeah, it's not about the journey, it's the destination. Because at the top of that trail, and you probably, you can't see from here, it's back behind through these trees somewhere. There is a stunning view of the canyon. So for anybody who is into stunning views, this is a must on your trip to Zion National Park. Come here to the Weeping Rock Trail. We made it to our camping spot for the night. We're just outside of Zion National Park. We're probably, 15 miles outside of the park. Just we found a little Airbnb camper, actually, which is where we're gonna stay. There's somebody way off in the distance shooting some kind of gun. I don't even know what caliber that is. But I think it's gonna be fun. Only one thing, the guy said there's gonna be a bunch of fire. He said there'll be plenty of firewood. Clearly he doesn't know us, because like when we make a fire, we want it to be hot enough to like melt glass. So we're gonna possibly go out to town, see if we can find a little bit more firewood to burn tonight. That's our little camper for the night.
Haven't gone inside yet.
It's like a little truck bed thing. You go on the truck bed and it's somehow hooked up to a trailer and strapped on. Hopefully we won't fall over tonight. Hopefully tonight the clouds will go away, because we really want to see the stars, which is one of the reasons why we wanted to camp out here so bad. We know the stars out here on this side of the country are amazing. Okay, so I haven't seen inside. Let's go look. Let's go.
Oh, he has a charger for our phones too.
There's the door. All right, we're gonna get settled in. See ya.
Guys, I really love clouds, and I miss having open skies so I can see everything. And there's like 6 rainstorms in the distance and lots of mountains and snow, and I'm so happy right now. I just don't want to freeze to death. But time to have a beer and sit back and enjoy the beautiful nature and hopefully get a lot of time lapses.
That was a million times easier than I thought it was gonna be. Everything's so dry. All right, the sun's gonna be going down here pretty soon. We just got our fire started. We're gonna try to catch some sunset, and then after the sun goes down, we're gonna make some food and just relax and enjoy this amazing campsite. This is gonna be fun.